Hi, I'm James from UserReplay. I wanted to give you a quick preview of the new performance metrics that you can get to from within your UserReplay account. So I'm here just on the list of dashboards that I've got set up for my different teams. And you'll see here I've got a new one that we've pre-configured for site reliability engineering teams. So I'm going to jump straight into that. And when that loads up, you'll see I'm looking at the standard time period of the last 24 hours here. Again, it's completely customizable. And you'll see I've got a series of pre-configured visualizations here. So these are looking at different areas of my site, and they're analyzing key performance metrics. So in these examples here, we have average page load time, average server response time, and average DOM render time. So we're tracking those for every page view with 100% session coverage. And as you'll see, it's super easy here to identify any potential outliers for unexpected or particularly slow loading pages. It's fantastic here because you have the ability to drill down into any of these. So here I've identified a bit of a peak. So let's say I'd want to investigate that. I will click onto the peak there, and as you can see, I'm drilling down into deeper and deeper into the time to get to the exact moment when this spike happened. And if we could see here, I'm down to within the few milliseconds of it happening. And now I can see I've probably got 2 sessions here that were causing that spike. And as with every visualization in UserReplay, I can pop open the session inspector. I can get to the technical detail of that session, so I could look at all the network requests that page had made, or I could jump straight into the replay and see exactly why that page had loaded so slowly. So I'm going to quickly switch this back into the last 24 hours. And the other kind of visualization that we have available on our site reliability engineering team dashboards are around time series comparison. So for these key pages here, and for the top level metrics, so let's take DOM render time for as an example. We're overlaying today's behavior against the average of the previous week for the same time period. So what this is really helping us identify is, are there any peaks which are going outside of the expected range in terms of how long the DOM is taking to render for a customer. So again, this is really helpful for showing you where things are outside of an expected range. And as you can see, we've got these set up for all sorts of different areas of our site, everything from specific pages and flows, so things like the payment and confirmation pages, through to specific API calls, such as the verify by Visa responses. So you're able to really customize this and narrow these visualizations down to any particular part of the site that you want to monitor, and it's completely customizable. There's a ton of metrics in here, so as you can see, we've got the load times here, but we're also adding extra ones around first contentful paint, first input delay, time to interactive, and total blocking time, amongst a whole series of other browser performance metrics. So that gives you a quick introduction to how they work in UserReplay, and as you can see, it's all fully customizable, and you can really customize these visualizations and dashboards to match your exact use case, and our team's always on hand to help you get that configured. So any questions, please reach out to your UserReplay representative. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.